Catherine Kealoha will not testify at her brother's drug trial. Prosecutors told a federal judge today that they have called their last witness in the case against Rudolph Puana. Manolo Morales has more.
Prosecutors have called on Rudolph Puana's close friends who testified that he gave them prescriptions for opioids like oxycodone, which they then exchanged for cash and cocaine. Legal experts say Catherine Kealoha would have provided key information not only because she's Puana's sister, but also because she took over the investigation during a drug bust and, according to court documents, allegedly tried to shield her brother from getting caught.
Catherine Kealoha was not just a key witness, she was the star witness.
Cal says it's shocking that Kealoha will not be testifying considering all the trouble the government went through to get Kealoha here. Cal adds that Kealoha could have changed her mind even though she made a plea agreement with the government to testify.
My educated guess is that her plea agreement required her to testify so that she could later get a reduction in sentence, and she is now saying, I don't want that reduction in sentence, I will take my time.
There were some questions about Kealoha's credibility since she is a convicted felon, but Cal points out that prosecutors would have already considered that before bringing Kealoha to Hawaii.
I don't believe that credibility was a factor in the government deciding not to call Catherine Kealoha as a witness because they were already well aware of that potential issue before they decided to move her from the mainland to Honolulu.
Cal adds that changes in federal law that took effect this year allow federal inmates to reduce more time in their sentence.
So Catherine Kealoha could have recalculated her time, her exit date, realized that she doesn't need to testify against her brother, and decided not to testify.
We reached out to the U.S. Attorney's Office for an explanation, and there's been no response. Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.